Is Bumble a good dating app? Is Bumble a good dating app? Tired of swiping endlessly with little success? Be sure to watch the whole video because there is a surprise waiting for you at the end. 10. Tinder, a classic choice for quick connections. 9. Hinge, focused on fostering meaningful connections. 8. OkCupid, offers in-depth profiles for compatibility matching. 7. Match.com, one of the oldest and most reputable dating sites. 6. Meets Bagel, curated matches based on mutual friends. 5. eHarmony, known for its thorough compatibility matching system. 4. Plenty of Fish, a large user base means more potential matches. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. Or why not join our free dating community? The link is in the description. Now let's continue. 3. Bumble, women make the first move, empowering and safer environment. 2. Zoosk, utilizes behavioral matchmaking for better matches. 1. Elite Singles, catering to professionals seeking serious relationships. Bonus 1. Her, specifically for LGBTQ+ women, fostering inclusivity. Bonus 2. Ship, friends can swipe for you, adding a fun twist to dating. Surprise! You are welcome to join our free international dating community. The link is in the description and comments. Is our video helpful to you? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.